welcome back to part 4. In this video we're going to be drawing the sky, more specifically a cloud or so in the sky. Now to do that, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to try and shade the sky a very light color, similar to what I did for the lake. And if I make mistakes, I can always go back and smudge it in. You can do the smudging by using a paper towel, napkin, cotton, Q-tip, anything, piece of cloth. But without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and start shading this. I'm going to go ahead and speed it up, so I'm going to stop anytime I have to make any comments. As I'm doing this, main thing to remember is you don't want to go too dark. You want to keep it relatively light. You just want enough tone so that when you place in a cloud, the cloud will be able to pop out. Because certain areas of the cloud will have to be lighter than the sky, because where the sun reflects, and certain areas of the cloud will have to be darker. The darker part are easy, you can just shade them in, but the lighter parts, you'll achieve that by making the sky a little darker than pure white. Pretty good. Let's go ahead and start smudging in it a little bit. Okay, so now let's figure out where should we place the cloud. I'm gonna try and do something kind of irregular. I don't know if you could tell, it's very faint here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start erasing the parts that catch the light. The bottom of the cloud, and I guess a little bit to the side, will be dark. Let's see, the sun is coming that way. I'm gonna go ahead and put some shading over here. A little bit more shading here. If you like this drawing, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you have not already, and feel free to leave any comments with any suggestions about regarding your video or regarding this specific drawing. With that, have a good one, and I'll see you next time.